We'll guide you through how to post on Instagram. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. When you go and post on Instagram, it will then go and appear on your feed. If you go to the bottom right and press your profile icon, it will go and appear here. So let's get started with this. So whether you're on your profile page or the home page, you'll go and see the plus in the top left, which you can go and tap. This opens up here. At the bottom, make sure you go and select post. You can scroll through and find what you want to post and tap on it. If there are multiple, you can press select over to the right and start selecting the others you want to go and post. Then you can press next in the top right. At the bottom, you can go and add audio, text, overlay, change a filter and edit it. And you can press next in the bottom right. Then you can go and add a caption and you can go through, add a poll, a prompt, add audio, tag people, products, add a location and switch on if it's AI. And there are some other options here as well, like only posting to profile, the audience, I want everyone, and where else you could share it, and there are more options as well. Then when you're ready, press share, and then it'll go and be posted.